Hi guys, today I will explain how to change labels color in Premiere Pro. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project. And once you open a project, take a look on the left top. You will see a lot of options. And from these, you have to select the option Edit and take your mouse cursor on the last option. And in this window, you have to select the option Labels. Now, these are the available colors of labels, and you can see the selected color for caption is rose. If I move it a bit, and here you can see the color of my caption are red, and the selected color for bin is mango. In order to change the color, you have to select that panel on which you want to change your color. Like, I want to change color on my captions. So therefore I will select captions, and here I need to select my color. If you do not know the color, then here you can see the list of all colors. This one is green, this one is blue, and this one is mango. I want to change it to forest. It's the forest color, and basically it's green. The next thing is tap on the option. Okay, my label color has been changed. The only thing I have to do is I need to remove these captions and need to recreate the caption. So let me remove these. After removing the previous caption, I need to create new caption. So for creating new caption, I need to tap on the option transcript and tap on these dots. And there you can see the option of create captions. Just click on it and click on the option to create captions. You can see the new caption has been created and the label's color has been changed. Using this method, you can change label's color in Premiere Pro.